Okay, there's a lot of ways to go here. You want to keep practicing your scales. We'll keep adding more. It's endless. Okay, finger exercises, which we didn't get into, drop forward voicings, all sorts of chord stuff, chord melody, and all that stuff. At this point, I think one of the most important things you can do is to learn tunes and sing. If you want to get a gig somewhere, if you go out and listen to people and watch people who are playing out and performing, especially in singles and duos, they're singing tunes. They're not out there jamming with real fancy leads. And don't misunderstand me. I want to always develop that. You always want to continue to develop that, but that takes a little bit longer. But if you took my advice and learned key signatures and keys and got these basic chords under your fingers and practice changing them, the next thing to do is just learn tunes that everybody knows. One that comes to mind is, and sing them, learn the lyrics. Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountain, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like the breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home. Country roads. Well, I hear her voice in the morning hour. She calls me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. And driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday, country road, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, Mountain Mama, take me home, country road. Okay, so you learn those tunes. Now when you go out for an audition or something, it's like, well, what can you do? Well, I can play these real fancy leads, which is great. You need that for like 30 seconds of the song, but I can play 15 tunes and sing them. You'll get the gig a lot quicker. So again, if you go out and listen to people, they're singing songs, they're playing chords, and they're playing tunes. So at this point, start to learn tunes also with your practicing, your scales, your licks, and all that stuff. And there's plenty of them. We'll do all sorts of licks. I got a million ideas for videos that'll help you, but I can't emphasize enough. And listen, learn the lyrics. Don't be the guy that sits there and every tune he's sitting there scrolling through his iPad, pulling up lyrics for everything. Sure, once in a while, if someone has, kind of a different type request and, you want to do it off the top, which is, of course, is part of being a musician too, that's fine to look it up. But it's probably just a pet peeve and I shouldn't let it bother me, but nothing drives me more crazy than the guy sitting there and pulls up every tune on his iPad to play it. Memorize them. That makes you a better musician, okay? Memorize the lyrics, memorize the chords, memorize the song form, okay? That'll make you a better performer. All right, till next time, don't forget to hit subscribe and like. We'll add some tunes here that I think might be a good idea to learn right off the top, and we'll keep going and to become better guitar players and musicians. Thanks a lot. Hit this like and subscribe button. This is Keith. Bye-bye.